Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of uh, headline on your GoHighLevel. So this is actually a marker drawing effect background under the headline. So if you like to create an attention grabbing headline on your landing page or website, then this can be a very good option to get attention from your headline. Okay, so let me show you how we can create this. So first of all, let me go back to the GoHighLevel page editor here, and this is a very blank page. So all we just need to add the headline, and then let me make it a little bit bigger. So, and then go back to the code editor. Okay, so the code is here already, so always just need to copy this code. It's a very simple and small code. Okay, so just copy that and go back to your GoHighLevel, open the settings, and then custom CSS, and then paste your code here. Okay, so in this case, okay, let me paste the code here. Click save, and then again select the headline and go to the advanced tab from here, and you will find your CSS selector. Just copy it by clicking this icon and go back to your custom CSS again, and then replace this ID. Okay, replace this ID with your unique ID from your headline, and then hit save. Okay, you can see the effect is already added. Okay, and now one more thing I want to show you. So we have already added 12 different type of design for the marker background. Let me show you one by one. So if you go back to our page, yeah, and inside the members area, you will find all the links. Okay, so yeah, it's a 13 different link actually. So all you just need to copy the link that you want to use as your marker drawing effect. Like, you can also preview it by clicking the link. You can see we have a different type of design. Let me show you one by one. Okay, so here is the red one, and if you click 3, okay, image 3, then we have yellow, and then let me select 4th image, and it is a green one. Okay, so this way we have 13 different images. So if you want to use your own image, that's totally fine, but we added 13 different marker background. Okay, marker drawing background. You can use any of them. All you just need to copy the link from here and use these into your CSS code. Okay, here is the link. You can see here I'm using one of them. So that's it for this video. Hope you get this point, and you understand how we can create this type of headline background. So if you find this video helpful, then feel free to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, so you will get notified when we release new code or new tips, tricks for your GoHighLevel. Thank you.